Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 12 months of PlayStation Plus Premium completely free. This is a verified, easy method that doesn't require a credit card. Let's jump right in, and I'll prove to you that this works before we get started. As you can see, I'm on the PlayStation Store right now. I've added the PlayStation Plus Premium 12-month subscription to my cart, and it's priced at $189 for me here in Canada. But don't worry, this code works worldwide, so no matter where you're located, you're covered. Now I'm going to show you that the code works. I'll enter a 15-digit code right here, hit apply, and key. Boom, you can see it's applied successfully. My subscription is now active for the next year. Simple, right? Now that I've shown you it works, let me walk you through how you can get your very own free PlayStation Plus Premium code. You'll need a smartphone. It doesn't matter if it's iOS or Android. Start by opening your browser and going to FundsZap, FUNDSZAP. This site is packed with promo codes, game discounts, and special offers. They update their codes regularly, so make sure to check back often. Once you're on the site, search for PlayStation Plus, and you'll find both 3-month and 12-month subscription codes. I highly recommend going for the 12-month code for a whole year of premium access for free. Click on the 12-month PlayStation Plus subscription and scroll down until you see the Unlock Code button. At this point, you won't see the code yet, but don't worry, we're going to unlock it in just a second. Now, to unlock your code, all you need to do is complete a few simple tasks. These tasks are quick and easy to do, and they're listed right on the FundsZap website. Follow the instructions carefully, and once you've completed the tasks, head back to FundsZap and click the Unlock Code button. These tasks are constantly updated, so you may see different ones each time. But no matter what, they're all very easy to do. Once you finish, the code will be revealed. Once you have your 15-digit code, it's time to redeem it. Just copy the code and go back to the PlayStation Store. Paste it in the Redeem Code section during checkout, and that's it. Sometimes the code might not work if the tasks weren't completed correctly. If that happens, just double-check the steps you followed and make sure you completed all the required tasks. You might need to go back and try again. And that's all there is to it. You've just unlocked 12 months of PlayStation Plus Premium for free. It's really that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more amazing content. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.